Welcome to Nacpan Beach. Wow, the water looks so good already, and haven't even got onto the beach. See what we can see. You know, price-wise, Philippines is pretty much similar to Thailand. Probably more confronting, I guess. And one of the best reasons to holiday in the Philippines is, you know, it's relatively reasonable cost. Accommodation isn't too bad. Exchange rate's okay at the moment. I think with the Australian dollar at the moment, you're getting around 37 pesos to the dollar. Pretty reasonable. I mean, you can eat expensive, you can eat cheap meals. So, you know, had a relatively cheap meal last night, just chicken skewers with some rice and a beer. You know, that was pretty cheap. Or you can go up market and have more expensive meals and stuff like that. The choice is really yours here in the Philippines. But you know, to come to places like this, like, okay, there's a few tourists down on the beach and stuff like that, but it's not packed, and the water is just so clean and crystal clear. It really is just a magical place. I mean, this is just gorgeous, you know. Having a lovely time this week, just relaxing, chilling out. Tomorrow I'm on another tour, doing Tour C. I'm not sure where that's going, but you know, yesterday was good, a good day, not too crowded on the boat. Lunch was okay, it was nice, and good crew. So just a shame that some of the spots we went to were a little bit crowded. I guess it's just timing and stuff like that. Looking back up the beach, just lovely with the coconut trees here. Oh, it looks like there's a bit of a storm coming in the background. Mad Monkey, Nacpan Beach. I think in the previous videos I've watched on YouTube, some people have stayed at Mad Monkey. Mad Monkey seems to be a bit of a group, I guess. I don't know whether it's a franchise thing or owned by the same company, but I noticed a few of those around the Philippines and also now in Vietnam as well. So I don't know whether it's a touristy type thing, tour company or something, but yeah, Maybe it's more backpackers or something like that. Not sure. There was certainly Mad Monkey in Hoi An when I was there, but maybe it's just a name that people are just using in different places. A few boats out in the water there. Just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So what's your next holiday adventure? Drop some comments in the on this post, on this vlog, and I'd be keen to hear your thoughts about your next holiday adventure. A little house on the island over there, maybe a weekend escape. I remember first seeing Nacpan on, I think it was Los LeBlanc, on one of his early Filipino adventures, where he came and explored Nacpan. And I think Paddy Doyle's been here as well. And yeah, it's just a magical spot. Let's walk over the top and see this little bay over the other side here. Whoa, that sand is hot. Whoa, scorching the feet. There you go. That'll be El Nido over there in the background. Nice little bay around here. And you got a bull, resume, or it could be a cow. It's got horns. Cows have horns? Don't know. Maybe only a bull has horns. Let me know in the comments. No, I think it's a bull. What's that you said? Oh, welcome to Nacpan Beach. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd really appreciate you subscribing so you can follow my adventures in the various countries that I do travel to. And also it helps if you hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you can see when new videos are released. But I try and, while I'm on holidays, is load a video every day if I can, depending on Wi-Fi and also my time and stuff like that. But certainly when I'm on holidays, what I've got to get better at is actually doing more videos when I'm back in Australia, in Sydney, or traveling elsewhere in Australia. And of course, please feel free to comment. I love the comments that I do get. I'd love to get some more comments, and also for you to share your thoughts on the places I've visited, any tips you've got as well. Because, you know, one of the good things with YouTube is that you can learn so much in terms of travel tips on things to avoid or do when you are traveling. It's a good vehicle for sharing knowledge and helps everyone with travel tips. So welcome your comments on my various videos. Just so beautiful. Couldn't ask for a nicer beach. So if you are in El Nido, talk to one of the tricycle drivers and ask about coming down to Nacpan Beach. You can also hire a motorbike in scooter when you're in El Nido, and it's about a 40-minute commute down to here to Nacpan Beach. It's just a pristine spot. So make sure you have this on your bucket list when visiting El Nido. It's just beautiful with the coconut palms lying in the beach. You can stay down here at Nacpan Beach as well. There's various accommodation. I noticed a new hotel on the way in, so it is starting to get a bit more touristy. The beach chairs you can get for 250 pesos each one for the day, so a pretty good price. And there's little shops that are selling food and drinks and other things, including suntan lotion if you forgot to pack that. So it's got everything you need here for a day trip, or if you wanted to stay overnight here. There's the ferry out there. So that's the Coronel Nido ferry, fast ferry. But a good option if you want to travel between Coron and El Nido. So I might leave the video here from Nacpan Beach near El Nido. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button because it does help.